Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today we have my Heaven Panty subscription, so let's get into it and check it out. 2 months worth of my Heaven Panty subscription here. So we're going to see 2 different styles that they've sent me. I love that because it gives you guys an idea of what I receive from them. I will also at the end of this put my Heaven Panty playlist so you can, if it's something you're interested in, you can see month over month the kind of styles they send. Of course, what I receive could be different from what you receive. It is $13 per month, but you get a pair of panties valued at $15, plus you'll have a stylist. When you sign up, you fill out a whole profile. They'll ask you your color preferences, your size preferences, whether you want thongs, no thongs, mix it up. You can do that with your colors too. Mix it up can always be an option. They want to know what kind of fabrications you like. A lot of questions, but that's perfect because then it gets it right for you. Another really awesome advantage to this subscription is it is $13 per month, but for your $13 per month, you not only get your $15 pair of panties, you get $13 in store credit. So basically what you spend, you also get in store credit. This is what the second bag looks like. It comes in this one, so nobody will ever know what you're getting. And then when you open it up, this gives you a hint as to what you're getting in your bag. I'm gonna go ahead and get both of mine open. So ultimately you get credit in this shop and you can go over and spend that toward more panties. So you spend your $13, but then you get $13 in credit to spend in the shop. These are my 2 pairs, so we will dig in and see what they've got. I will put the link below so you can go over and check out everything. This is what my first pair looks like. It is a pretty kind of maroon. I would call it maroon, not burgundy. Remember back in the day, maroon? It has a little more brown in it. Burgundy tends, I think, to have a little more red in it. This is, oh my gosh, how fun. So it's a full brief. It has a full coverage of biscuits fully also, but it has a really pretty lace panel on the front. Actually, see, can you see it comes down the sides? That is so pretty. And then in the back, you've got just a little keyhole design, just right at the waist in the back. Just a pretty keyhole design. Those are so pretty. So we have the lace here, and then this lace is actually see-through on the sides. It looks like a perfect fit for me. It feels like it's got some spandex in it. Let's class up and see what they say. It feels like it's got some span that's actually gonna help hold you in a little bit. So yeah, it is 84% nylon, 16% spandex. So these are gonna kind of get it all together in there. Those are very pretty and very much what I would choose because they go by your profile. Ooh, these are very pretty. Next out we have a taupe color. Oh wow, these are gorgeous. This is kind of a full brief also. It's got much more give in it than the other ones did. Can you guys see this is nice lacing along the front. It's the kind that you could totally see through. This feels so soft and nice. The elastic, can you see how well done? I just want to show you guys how well it's sewn. All of the seams are so well done. And then the back of this one has the lace also. So see down the sides, that's totally, it's the see-through lace. That is such a pretty panty. These 2 months, I got briefs both months. I also get hipsters and more bikini styles. These just happen to be briefs. This is 85% polyamide and 15% elastane. So those were my last 2 Heaven panties. That is gorgeous. And I absolutely 100% agree this would be $15 in a department store. And then that is the other one. These are really, actually, they go quite nicely together. So pretty. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know below. If it's something that I can help you with, I will. Just know that it's $13 a month. You go over, you fill out your profile. You also then get that $13 in store credit. So you can wait until you have like $39 in credit and buy a bra because they do other items. I have no idea if their bras are $39. I totally made that number up, but I'm just saying you can accumulate your credits and then purchase something. I will put the links below. I want to thank Heaven Panty for sending these over. They are absolutely gorgeous. I hope you have a great evening. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and take care, guys.